I'm Brian Christner, and this is The Bite, a bite-sized podcast about containers, cloud, and tech.
Welcome back to The Bite. In this episode, we're going to talk about Coading Coach. Coading Coach is, just as it says, it's a mentoring platform, and I'm very happy that I joined it yesterday, actually. So I submitted my mentorship to the platform to help out developers. And to be totally honest, I'm a huge fan of mentorship and actually, extending your knowledge to others or teaching others what you know. I mean, I wouldn't be in my position today, as well as many other people, without other mentors or people sharing knowledge with them to help them move forward in their careers as far as technology or just, understanding business or just many different aspects of the world without some sort of mentors. I mean, it can be anything from sports mentors to coding to whatever. And I've had the very fortunate experience to have very good mentors along the way. And, it's something I'm very passionate about giving back to the community. And I do that in terms of, giving free Docker training. I give DevOps training, cloud DevOps. I mean, you name it. I try to give some of this knowledge back for free because I feel that, knowledge should be free. And I'm a huge supporter of such platforms, and I found out about it just yesterday. So then I found out about Coading Coach, and it's coadingcoach.io. And basically what it is, it's a platform for matching mentors to developers. And what happens is you can click on mentors, and in here approximately we're at 297 mentors as of today, which is quite incredible. And I looked through the list, and there's some heavy hitters on this list as well, which is really great because there's everyone from Emma Weddykind, which is she's a software engineer that's pretty popular on Twitter. I mean, I went through the list and I noticed I recognized quite some names on this list. So if you're a developer starting out or someone that's in IT looking for some help, this is a great platform. You can search by technology. For example, if you're looking for Docker or JavaScript or C++ or Sharp, whatever you're looking for, you can narrow it down by the technology. You can narrow it down by the country, which is quite cool. So, you can find somebody in your local neighborhood, hopefully. By name, so if you want to look for specific people, for example, if you're looking for myself or other mentors, or you can actually look for your language of choice. So I speak English and German, so I can help you out. My German's not the best, but I'm definitely trying, so I'll try to help out wherever I can. And this platform is still in alpha, but I can see just on the aspect of how many mentors are signing up to it, that this is going to be something quite large. And what's also interesting is it's still an alpha, but I really notice that the platform is open source. So if you want to become a mentor, you actually you find a mentor repository, you add your name into it, and it's in JSON. So you have to actually match the schema that they want. Then you submit it, and it has to pass all the builds and review, and then become a mentor. So, it actually follows kind of a DevOps type of workflow, which is quite cool because, it already gets people in the mindset, of helping people and doing it the correct way. And on Coading Coach, it's all open source. So there's the Slack bot, there's, mobile, there's all the different things, but I'm most interested in, how we can help people. And the platform currently, like I said, has mentors, has mock openings. So I can really see, like a jobs portal coming up here, and it has a mock opening already. So junior front-end developer, for example, for Active Technologies. And maybe the job is already posted and it lists the technologies so people can look at it and go, oh, maybe I can ask a mentor to help me out, applying for this job, kind of validating my technology background, see if I'm capable of doing it, or, run me through some exercises to kind of refresh my skills. This is awesome. I can't say enough about it. It's free, it's open source, and it's really to give back to the community. So if you are looking for a mentor, go to coadingcoach.io. If you are someone that has some knowledge you want to share, sign up and become a mentor. I mean, the platform is still in alpha, but we expect it to go live fairly soon. And then you can contribute onto Slack channels and Twitter, etc., and be ready to help people via the different communication channels. There's Mentor Monday that's kind of trending on Twitter once in a while that we see, and this is a platform that can kind of help people get started. Please give it a try. If not, spread the word and let people know if they're looking for help. This is the platform to do it. So, CoadingCoach.io, this is today's episode, and we'll talk to you later.
Thank you for listening to this episode of The Bite. You can find the show notes at thebite.io and follow me on Twitter at I Do My Own Tricks.